Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my Slow English and A1 English listening practice. I'm Tom, and I'm happy you are here today. You can use this video to train your brain. You can improve your English listening. This channel is for slow and easy English. I speak slowly and clearly. You can listen and understand. Today, our topic is food and cooking. On this channel, you can find easy listening videos. If you need simple English listening practice, you are in the right place. Welcome. Please subscribe to the channel. You can support me. Even if you are busy, you can play the video and listen. You can listen in your room. You can listen in the car. You can listen when you walk. Anywhere you can, just listen and relax. Why food is important. Food is very important in our life. Every day we eat food. Our body needs food to live. Without food, we feel weak and tired. Food gives us energy. Energy helps us walk, talk, work, and study. When we eat good food, we feel strong. Food helps our body grow. Children need food to grow tall and strong. Adults also need food to stay healthy. Food helps our bones, muscles, and blood. It helps our heart work well. It helps our brain think clearly. When we eat, our body gets power. Food also helps us fight sickness. Healthy food makes our body strong. When we eat fruits and vegetables, we get vitamins. Vitamins help our body stay well. When we drink water, our body stays clean inside. Good food helps us not get sick easily. Food is important for our mind. When we are hungry, we cannot think well. We feel angry or sad. After we eat, we feel better. We can focus on our work. We can listen and learn in class. Students need food to study well. Workers need food to do their job. Food brings people together. Families eat together at home. Friends eat together at a table. When we eat together, we talk and laugh. Food makes us happy. On special days, people make special food. Food is part of our culture and our life. There are many kinds of food. We can eat rice, bread, meat, fish, eggs, fruits, and vegetables. We should eat different kinds of food. This helps our body get many good things. Eating only one type of food is not good. Our body needs many things. It is important to eat healthy food every day. Too much sugar is not good. Too much fast food is not good. We should eat fresh food. We should drink enough water. We should not skip meals. In short, food is very important because it gives us energy, helps us grow, keeps us healthy, and makes us happy. Food is a big part of our daily life. Without food, we cannot live well. Now, let's talking about how to cook food. How to cook is simple when you follow easy steps. Cooking means making food in the kitchen. We cook food to eat, to feel full, and to stay healthy. Anyone can learn how to cook with practice. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Clean hands are very important. A clean kitchen is also important. Make sure your table and tools are clean. Next, get your ingredients. Ingredients are the foods you need to cook. For example, you may need rice, chicken, vegetables, salt, oil, and water. Put all the ingredients on the table. This helps you see everything before you start. Then wash the food. Wash rice with clean water. Wash vegetables and fruit. Wash meat carefully. Clean food is safe for your body. After that, cut the food. Use a knife carefully. Cut vegetables and meat into small pieces. Be slow and careful with the knife. Safety is very important in the kitchen. Now you can start cooking. Turn on the stove. Put a pot or a pan on the stove. If you cook rice, add water to the pot. If you cook chicken or vegetables, add a little oil to the pan. Wait for the pot or pan to get hot. Next, put the food in the pot or pan. Add salt and simple spices if you like. Use a spoon to mix the food. Let the food cook for some time. Do not touch hot pots with your hands. Use a spoon or kitchen cloth. While the food is cooking, check it from time to time. Look at the color. Smell the food. When the food is soft and smells good, it is ready. Turn off the stove. Finally, put the food on a plate. Let it cool for a short time. Then you can eat and enjoy your meal. After eating, clean the kitchen. Wash the dishes, clean the table, and put everything in the right place. Cooking is easy and fun. When you cook at home, you can make fresh and healthy food for yourself and your family. And now I'm talking about my favorite food. My favorite food is rice and chicken. I love this food very much. I can eat it many times in 1 week and I never feel bored. It is simple, tasty, and good for my body. Rice is soft and warm. It is white and looks clean on the plate. Chicken is very delicious. It has a nice smell when it is cooking. When I eat rice and chicken together, the taste is very good. The rice and the chicken mix well. I feel happy when I eat this food. I like to cook this food at home. First, I wash my hands. Then I wash the rice with water. I put the rice in a pot and add water and a little salt. I put the pot on the stove and wait. After some time, the rice is ready. Next, I cook the chicken. I wash the chicken and cut it into small pieces. I add salt, black pepper, and a little oil. Sometimes I add garlic and onion. Then I cook the chicken in a pan. I turn it and mix it. After some time, the chicken is brown and ready to eat. I like to eat rice and chicken with vegetables. I often add carrots, green beans, or salad. Vegetables are healthy and good for the body. They give us vitamins. When I add vegetables, my food looks colorful and nice. This food is also important to me because I eat it with my family. We sit together at the table. We talk and laugh. We enjoy our meal. It is a happy time for us. Rice and chicken give me energy. After I eat, I feel strong and ready to work or study. This food helps my body and makes me full. In my country, many people like rice and chicken. It is a common and popular food. People cook it at home and also eat it in restaurants. Rice and chicken are my favorite food because they are easy to cook, healthy, and very delicious. I enjoy this food every time I eat it.
And now, let's talk about healthy food. Healthy food is very important for our life. We need healthy food every day. Healthy food helps our body stay strong. It also helps our mind think clearly. When we eat healthy food, we feel good and active. Healthy food gives us energy. Energy helps us walk, run, work, and study. Without healthy food, we feel weak and tired. Our body needs good food to work well. Children need healthy food to grow. Adults need healthy food to stay strong. There are many types of healthy food. Fruits and vegetables are very healthy. Apples, bananas, oranges, carrots, and spinach are good for the body. They have vitamins. Vitamins help our body fight sickness. They help our eyes, skin, and blood. Rice and bread give us energy. They help us feel full. Eggs, fish, chicken, and beans are also healthy. They help build muscles. Milk and yogurt are good for our bones and teeth. Water is very important too. We should drink water every day. Water helps clean our body inside. It helps us stay fresh and active. Drinking enough water is part of healthy living. We should not eat too much junk food. Junk food has a lot of sugar, salt, and oil. Too much sugar is not good for our teeth. Too much oil is not good for our heart. Eating fast food every day is not healthy. It is good to eat different kinds of food. When we eat many types of healthy food, our body gets many good things. Eating only one type of food is not enough. Our body needs balance. Healthy food also helps our mind. When we eat good food, we can focus better in school or at work. We feel happy and calm. When we are hungry, we feel angry or tired. Good food helps us feel better. We should eat at the right time. We should not skip meals. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are important. Small healthy snacks like fruit are also good. In short, healthy food keeps us strong, active, and happy. It protects our body and helps us grow. Eating healthy food every day is a good habit for a good life. And now, let's talk about street food and outside food. Street food and outside food are very common in many cities. Many people like to eat food outside their home. Street food is food that people sell on the street. Outside food can also mean food from restaurants, small shops, or fast food places. Street food is easy to find. You can see it near schools, markets, bus stops, and busy roads. Many people buy street food because it is fast and cheap. If someone is busy and does not have time to cook, they can buy food outside. It saves time and effort. There are many kinds of street food. Some sellers make burgers, sandwiches, fried chicken, rice, noodles, and pizza. Others sell snacks like chips, samosa, or sweet cakes. Some people sell tea, coffee, and fresh juice. The food often smells very good. When you walk near a street food place, you can smell spices and hot food. This makes people feel hungry. Many people enjoy street food because it is tasty and fresh. The seller usually cooks the food in front of the customer. You can see how the food is made. This can be interesting and fun. Eating outside with friends can also be a happy time. People talk, laugh, and enjoy their meal together. Restaurants are also a popular place to eat outside food. Families go to restaurants on weekends or special days. They sit together and order different dishes. It is a nice way to spend time with family and friends. However, We must be careful when we eat street food and outside food. Sometimes the place is not very clean. If the food is not cooked well, it can make us sick. It is important to buy food from clean places. The seller should use clean water and clean tools. Also, eating outside food every day is not healthy. Many outside foods have too much oil, salt, and sugar. This can be bad for our body. It is better to eat home food most of the time and eat street food sometimes. Street food and outside food are easy, tasty, and popular. We just need to choose wisely and eat in a healthy way. And now, let's talk about meal planning. Meal planning is very useful for a healthy and organized life. Meal planning means thinking about the food you will eat before cooking or buying it. It helps you save time, money, and eat healthy food. Everyone can plan meals, even if you are busy. First, you can plan your meals for the week. Think about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can also plan snacks for the day. Planning helps you eat different types of food. Eating many types of healthy food is good for your body. For example, you can eat rice, bread, vegetables, meat, eggs, and fruits. Each meal should have different foods. Next, make a shopping list. Write all the ingredients you need. For example, rice, vegetables, chicken, oil, and milk. A shopping list helps you buy only what you need. You will not buy extra food that goes bad. This is good for saving money. Meal planning also helps you eat healthy food. You can choose fruits, vegetables, protein, and whole grains. You can avoid eating too much junk food or fast food. Healthy food gives energy and keeps your body strong. Children and adults need healthy food every day. Another benefit of meal planning is saving time. You can cook some food in advance. For example, you can wash and cut vegetables or cook rice before lunch or dinner. When it is time to eat, the food is ready quickly. This is very helpful for busy people and families. Meal planning also reduces stress. You do not need to worry every day about what to eat. You know what food is ready and what you will cook. Planning meals helps you stay organized. Families can enjoy meals together without hurry. Finally, meal planning helps your money too. When you buy only what you need, you do not waste food. You can spend money on healthy and important food instead of snacks and fast food. In short, meal planning is very important. It helps you eat healthy, save time, save money, and reduce stress. Planning meals every week makes life easier, better, and more organized. Everyone can try meal planning for a better and healthy life. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I am Tom. Today, we talked about food, cooking, and healthy eating. I also showed you how to plan meals and cook at home. I hope this video helps you practice your English listening. You can listen slowly and repeat the words. It is good for learning new English words. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Click the like button if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends too. Even if you are busy, you can play this video anytime. Listen at home, in the car, or when you walk. Keep practicing your English every day. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next Slow English video. Goodbye and take care.